Hi, my name is Nona King with Career Catalyst Group, and I want to talk today about networking strategies that actually work in your job search. So, if you've been reaching out to people on LinkedIn and you're not getting the responses, unfortunately, you're not alone. And you're probably doing a lot of the right things, but we just need to shift the networking strategy a bit. So, the first tip is don't just aim for the top. A lot of times we reach out to people that we believe who can help us have decision-making authority and have hiring, can hire as well. But these people at the senior level executive roles are bombarded with messages, a lot of messages, and they just quite frankly do not have time. So start reaching out to people at the mid-level part of the organization or even lower level. They could possibly connect you with people who are the hiring managers within the organization or key decision makers, and they can give you great intel to give you more information about the organization, and they're more likely to respond to you as well. The second tip is to build relationships, not just leads. I know you might be looking for a job. I know maybe your job has been impacted and you need to find what is your next so you can make ends meet. And I get that. But really focus on relationships and the type of questions that you ask. Don't just lead with, do you have a job? Okay. Some of the questions that you can ask is, what do you enjoy most about your job? People like to talk about themselves, right? What challenges is your team working through right now? That question in particular gives you valuable insights into the company that you can use when you're developing your cover letter or preparing for that interview when you get that interview. And it shows that you're thoughtful and curious. The third tip is to play the numbers game and follow up. So one of the biggest takeaways that I want you to come away with is that you need to reach out to people. Don't be afraid to reach out to people that you do not know, right? Look for people that you're interested, they're working for companies that you're interested in working, and find commonalities with them. Did you go to the same school? Do you have a similar background? And use that information to send a personalized message to them and follow up if they don't get back to you. And if they still don't follow up with you or respond, reach out to somebody else. It really, really is a numbers game. The more targeted and intentional that you are, the better your results are going to be. And the last, I'll say bonus tip is don't forget, after you've had your conversation and great network, thank the person and ask, how can I help support you? Because how you build real relationships is serving others. So if networking hasn't worked for you yet, don't give up. It's coming. Shift that strategy, expand your reach, and start building real relationships. So follow Career Catalyst Group for more practical career tips, and let's get you closer to that next great opportunity. Thanks.